finally made.
Yeah, but place, Coda. I do like it here, but I just want to go back home. Not scared of anything. Yeah, listen to the cutie. You don't have a crush on my cousin, do ya?
Sorry, guys. Really needed a burp.
Hey! I got a belch!
Let's do the burping competition.
That was sort of funny.
Pumba, what kind of burp is that?
It was my official.
Whoa!
What? Cause you don't want me to do a real.
You know what? Wait, say it again, but funnier. Say, careful, because you don't want to do a real nothing.
Careful, cause you don't want to do a real. Guys, we have to concentrate on finding our way home. Okay, let's go.
Do we really have to go home? We can just stay here and...
See, I told you there were hyenas.
What's that noise? I hope it's not some strange hyena or something.
Well. Lion cubs. Ooh, also some delicious food, including a fat little pig. How dare you! How dare you! Who's laughing? I can do a burp like. No, stop it! Stop!
I love eating burping creatures. Now let's get straight into
And let's get straight into scratching.
Oh dear.
Now listen, you 6. No, listen, you 5. I don't care what you look like.
I'm the leader of this team. And you do as I say.
We won't do as you say, because I don't care. Even if it's the circle of life.
Yeah, and we're not even part of the team, so how can we do as you say? Well, I'm the leader of the Pride Lands. No, you're not. Her father is.
Yeah. I'm the princess.
Oh.
And my father is the king.
And who are these disgusting rat and fat punky pig?
I am not a pig. How dare... Oopsies. I just did a little burp.
Puma, it's kind of disgusting now.
Yeah, but I can do better. Like it.
I think we're gonna have to get out of here. Let's go! I don't want to eat burping creatures. Let's burp! And the last big burp, Pumbaa's one. Do a big one, a much more funnier sound. Come on, let's go take a little rest.
Abidor.
Say Abidor again, but a little bit louder, like Abidor!
Abidor.
I said louder. Well, should we go anyway?
Abidor.
Should we go back home now?
Yeah, we can. Wait a second. I don't know where home is. but I can still smell it.
Oh yeah, you left spits on the way. You left spits on the way here.
Come on, this way.
Yay! Oh, there's a camera again. They were recording us.
Oh,
We're gonna say bye for the second time.
yeah, we're gonna do a part 3 at our home. What do you think? Should we go or stay here?
Should we go or stay here?
Comment down below.
Is there gonna even be a way home or no way home?
Well, I can still smell it, so maybe there is a way home.
Let's go.
Goodbye, fans. Goodbye. We love you as much as we do.
Subscribe.